Okay, now we are going to do the tendrils that are wrapped around the egg. So for doing that, first of all, we are going to put some, we are going to use this egg as our base. So we import it like this, and we need normals on it. First of all, we are making normals, and now we are going to scatter some points onto the get a point on the surface of this egg. Now these points are going to carry the normals, as you can see, and the noise, basically the noise attribute that we made here, if you remember. Now we are going to make around let's keep it 1,000 for now. Now we are going to delete the if we can do something like, let me put a delete attribute here. I want to show you what we are going to make. I really want you to understand what we are doing here, not just follow what I do blindly. It's very important for you to understand what we are doing. Now we are going to visualize this noise attribute, and I'm going to make it black and white here. Where are grayscale? Basically grayscale. Okay, now if you see this, we have black values and we have white values. So tendrils are more in the valleys than hills, in the black areas. So we are going to keep those black areas and we are going to delete the white ones. Now I'm going to put a blast node here, and I'm going to just write a script and write a expression. So add noise, which means we are going to read the noise attribute. Add noise is greater than 0.05, and we are going to put this into points, and you see that a lot of points are getting deleted. Now I want to be able to control this, so I'm going to go to the interface. I'm going to put a float here, and show if I spelled that correctly, which I don't know if I did. So let me know if I did it wrong. And I'm going to put a range of 0 to 0.3. Now I'm going to copy this, copy, and paste relative reference here. Now if I move this, you can see that we can select the points. Now I'm going to delete these, and now we are going to take them out of the visualization. So basically now we don't need the normal. Attribute delete, and delete the normal. I don't know if we need normal at all, but yeah, we need it for something else. Yeah, I put it there because we are going to need it later for something else. Yeah. And then we are going to put a node called connect adjacent pieces. This connect adjacent pieces, if I can find, yeah, connect adjacent, but it's going to make a something like a web for us, like this. And if you look at our egg, you can see that we are having something like this, and these are webs around. So I'm going to make it a little bit little less dense and resample. Put a resample on it. Okay. And the resample for the curve view and make it like 0.005. We need a lot of points. 0.008 is good also. Now we are going to fuse the closest one. Fuse the points, okay, and put a smooth here so we can smooth them out. 1 and 10, it's okay. I think it's good. We can make it more smoother, but I think it's good. Now we are going to project this onto the surface of the egg, and we do it with the ray. Soft ray points are here, collision is here, and we are going to do minimum distance. You can see that what happened here. So we can push them out a little bit more, as you can see, but I don't want to do that. It's okay. Now we are going to, we basically don't need the noise anymore, so I'm going to delete delete the attributes, all non-used attribute. We just want point, and we are going to put a sweep here and make round tubes, and these round tubes are going to be not very big. It's good. This is okay, I think. Now let's see, and we're going to put 16 edges or 16 columns basically onto them. And then we are going to turn this on and make them a little bit thinner in the middle, like this. Cat ROM is good, I think, or B-spline. How about this? I think cat ROM is good. I can live with that. What about Hermit? No. Oh, what did I do? Oh, okay. I think it's going to be fine. Now, I think it's very acceptable. Okay. Okay. How about no, that's a little bit bigger. We can not can fuse them together. This. Okay. How about a little bit more of these connections? Let me just make it a little bit denser. And yeah, it's okay. Okay, now we are going to make uh, basically a VDB out of this because we want to make it a single shape. So VDB from polygons, and now we're going to put a small number, 0.2. Okay, it's nice. Now we are going to make it back to polygons, but this time it's going to be polygon soup because it's a little bit faster. Now you see we have some, now we have something, yeah? And now we can merge these two together and watch them. Yeah, this is, I think this is good, but I want to put it smooth and the whole thing is gonna come together with this smooth and make it 20. So it's a lot smoother. Yeah. See that? Here you go. We can make it a little bit less, maybe 6. It is also, I think, good. And we can do something like this. So it has more points to make the web, basically. Means make our web. And yeah, it's, I think it's kind of nice. Now, how about we change this to, yeah, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Now, here we go. So now we are going to add those uh, shapes that seems like some other creatures are coming here and just lay eggs onto this web. And basically, it seems like some parasites are here or some creatures are living here together and they lay their eggs, their smaller eggs here. For doing that, we are going to use a website. So let's do it. We're gonna start with the another website that we did. Basically, yeah, we can reuse the other one, the displacement one. We can use this one and change the parameters and put some, okay, put something here, make it like this, make it and make it a little bit, a lot smaller basically. Now you see where we're going with this, and now we're going to change this like this, yes, and make it a lot smaller. Let's make it 40 and 50 is good, and it should be okay. Yes, can see there is some eggs here. And now we are going to color it so we can see it. Now you can see the noise parameter is here. And now when we bring our color, everything comes together. You see that? Very nice. But we are going to change the color. So basically the color that I used was a kind of beige color for the tendrils and some green, some disgusting green basically for the eggs. And I'm going to bring here to extend, yeah, make a contrast with the eggs. And I'm going to make the eggs green, kind of yellowish. Yeah, this, I call it disgusting green. And this is going to be like the tendrils are going to be like some kind of substance, like it is like a cement or something. And I'm just going to make this a little bit darker and more, have more color, because I need some variation inside this. Now we have the tendrils and it's working for us. How about it? You can force bring up the resolution. It takes a little bit more time. If you don't have a good computer, it can kill your computer. So watch out for that. Now we are going to make a little bit less. Oh no, we can go further. And we are going to bring this up. Okay, I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this. Now we have some floating objects, which is going to bring, what was the name of the node? Delete small parts. I hope it works. I don't know. The threshold is like extract large parts. Why this is not working, I don't know. Let's see. I really don't know what is going on. So there's a measure here. Let's visualize the class. Oh, everything is basically, I think it's because we are turning it to polygon. So let's make it a polygon. See what happens. It's going to be a lot. Yeah, now it's working. Okay, so let's do this. Let's make this a polygon soup. And now let's bring another convert here. If it's possible, we can do it to polygon here. Or we can make it real convert node here and make polygons. Yeah, and do this basically. If it Let's us. Okay, yeah, that's good. That's good. It works, and I'm happy. Okay, now let's see what we did. Now we are talking. Now there is some. I don't really like this high resolution. I want it a little bit more smoother. Maybe we can do it like this. How about this and this and this? Let's do this and okay, and now like this. And what is going on here? Now we have to extract the largest part is good. Now everything is okay. We don't need to calculate piece attribute, or maybe we have to delete everything but the color. Just noise, class, name, everything. Now we have the noise also. We have a noise here, which if we have it there, we can leave it here also. Okay, now we did the tendrils basically. It's okay. Now we are going to do the tendrils that are holding this egg. It's basically just something like this, but with a little bit of um, different approach, I can say. Now we are going to put it something here and tendrils wrap. Now I'm going to make some organization, some tidying up, basically. Now, here we go. This is also here. And a box around it. Okay. Now, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave comments if you want something else, if you have anything to add to this, or maybe you have a better solution for doing this, let me know. See you in the next video.